Selecting columns in numpy based on a Boolean vector. I have two numpy arrays A, B with dimensions m by n. I have a Boolean vector b of length n and I want to produce a new array C, which selects the n columns from A, B, so that if bi is true, I take the column from B otherwise from A. How do I do this in the most efficient way possible? I've looked at select, where and choose.
First off, let's set up some example code. Just to show what this data might look like. In this case, it's most efficient to use np.where for this. However, we need boolvec to be of a shape that can broadcast to the same shape as A and B. Therefore, we can make it a column vector by slicing with np.newAxis or none, they're the same. And then we can make the final result using np.where.
Timings for 5000, 3000 arrays are where and choose are essentially the same, Boolean indexing slightly faster. Select uses choose, so I didn't time it. My timings for column sampling are similar, except this time the indexing is slower. Correction: for the indexing I should be using a dot copy. I get the same timings for Python 2.7 and 3, numpy 1.8.2 and 1.9.0 dev.
You could use np.choose for this. For example, A and B arrays. To use np.choose, we want a 3D array with both arrays, A underscore and underscore B looks like this. Now let the Boolean array be bl equals np.array 0, 1, 1, 0. Then,
if